How to create a backdrop in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you just have to simply click on create, and you have to choose the pixel you want to edit or make the backdrop. So I'll just go with this poster option from here, and then we just have to simply click on here, and then we just have to click on background color from here, and then you just have to scroll down, and you can see there are multiple gradient colors here. So you just have to simply select the color you want, and you can also click on the see all option, and you can see the multiple variations. So let's just check which color suits for my desired backdrop. So you can just explore from here. You can just add the backdrop option from here, and let's say we'll just go with this one, and after that you can just save your backdrop with your png format, and then you can use it anywhere you want to use as the backdrop. So that's how you can create a backdrop in Canva in 2025. See you on the next video, guys.